Here are low-carb recipes for a healthier diet. Beside our quest for a healthier lifestyle, embracing low-carb recipes stands as a beacon of wisdom and vitality. This journey into the realm of nourishing, flavorful dishes not only enhances our physical well-being but also enriches our understanding of mindful eating. Delve into the art and science of low-carb cooking, where each recipe becomes a testament to our commitment to health and vitality. Nutritious and delicious low-carb recipes. Explore a variety of tantalizing low-carb recipes designed to satisfy your taste buds while supporting your health and wellness goals. These dishes are crafted with wholesome ingredients that prioritize nutrition without compromising on flavor or satisfaction. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. A light and refreshing dish that replaces traditional pasta with zucchini noodles. Tossed in a vibrant basil pesto and topped with juicy cherry tomatoes, this recipe offers a satisfying alternative for pasta lovers looking to reduce their carb intake. Zucchini noodles or zoodles are not only low in carbs but also rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. The homemade pesto enhances the dish with fresh basil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and heart-healthy olive oil, providing a burst of flavor and nutrients. Grilled chicken Caesar salad. Indulge in a nutritious twist on the classic Caesar salad, featuring grilled chicken breast, crisp romaine lettuce, shaved Parmesan cheese, and a creamy Caesar dressing made with Greek yogurt. This salad is a hearty meal option that combines protein, greens, and savory flavors. Grilled chicken breast serves as a lean source of protein essential for muscle growth and repair. Romaine lettuce offers vitamins A and K, while Parmesan cheese adds calcium and umami richness. The Greek yogurt-based Caesar dressing reduces calories compared to traditional dressings, providing a lighter yet satisfying taste. Stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey and quinoa. Enjoy a colorful and wholesome meal with bell peppers stuffed with a savory mixture of lean ground turkey, protein-packed quinoa, diced tomatoes, and aromatic spices. Baked to perfection, these stuffed peppers are a nutritious option that satisfies both taste and hunger. Bell peppers are not only vibrant in color but also rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants that support immune function and skin health. The combination of ground turkey and quinoa provides a balanced profile of protein and complex carbohydrates, offering sustained energy and satiety. Avocado and tuna salad. Savor a creamy and nutritious salad featuring ripe avocado slices, flaked tuna, crisp cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil. This salad is a delicious way to incorporate healthy fats, protein, and fresh vegetables into your diet. Avocado is prized for its monounsaturated fats, which promote heart health and aid in nutrient absorption. Tuna offers a lean source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Combined with hydrating cucumbers and antioxidant-rich tomatoes, this salad provides a satisfying and nutritious meal. Eggplant parmesan. Indulge in a guilt-free version of the classic Italian dish featuring layers of tender eggplant slices baked with marinara sauce, melted mozzarella cheese, and grated parmesan. This low-carb rendition is comforting, flavorful, and perfect for satisfying cravings without the carbs. Eggplant is low in calories and carbohydrates, but rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants like niacin, which supports brain health. Baking the eggplant with marinara sauce and cheese creates a savory and satisfying dish that's both wholesome and nourishing. Cauliflower fried rice with shrimp or chicken. Experience a flavorful twist on traditional fried rice by using cauliflower rice stir-fried with shrimp or chicken, colorful vegetables, and a savory blend of soy sauce and sesame oil. This dish is packed with nutrients and offers a satisfying alternative to carb-heavy meals. Cauliflower rice is a versatile and nutritious substitute for refined grains, providing vitamin C and K, folate, and fiber. Stir-frying it with lean proteins such as shrimp or chicken ensures a balanced meal that supports muscle repair and energy levels. The addition of vegetables and savory seasonings enhances the dish's flavor and nutrient content. Lemon cheesecake fat bombs. Treat yourself to a delightful and creamy dessert with lemon cheesecake fat bombs made from cream cheese, lemon zest, vanilla extract, and a touch of sweetener like erythritol. These bite-sized treats are low in carbs and high in flavor, making them a perfect indulgence without the guilt. Cream cheese provides a rich and creamy texture, while lemon zest adds a bright and refreshing citrus flavor. Sweetened with erythritol, these fat bombs are keto-friendly and satisfy cravings for a sweet treat without spiking blood sugar levels. Enjoy them as a satisfying dessert or snack. Each of these low-carb recipes demonstrates that nutritious eating can be both delicious and fulfilling. Whether you're exploring new flavors, seeking lighter meal options, or embracing a healthier lifestyle, these dishes offer a flavorful way to nourish your body and support your well-being. The essence of low-carb eating. Low-carb eating transcends a mere dietary choice. It embodies a philosophy rooted in nourishing our bodies with wholesome ingredients while minimizing our intake of carbohydrates. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, leafy greens, and healthy fats, we have the potential to support our metabolic health, enhance energy levels, and achieve sustainable weight management. Ancient wisdom in modern cuisine. Across cultures and centuries, the wisdom of ancient philosophers resonates with the principles of low-carb nutrition. From Hippocrates' belief in food as medicine to the Eastern philosophies that emphasize balance and harmony, these teachings underscore the importance of mindful consumption. Today, we translate these insights into practical, delicious recipes that honor tradition while embracing innovation and health-conscious cooking. Tips for success on your low-carb journey. Transitioning to a low-carb lifestyle is made easier with practical tips and strategies. Stock your pantry with staples like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and herbs and spices to create flavorful meals. Experiment with low-carb substitutes such as almond flour, coconut flour, and alternative sweeteners for baking and cooking. Plan your meals ahead to ensure you have nutritious options readily available, and embrace the versatility of vegetables as the foundation of your plate. The benefits of low-carb eating. Scientific research underscores the myriad benefits of low-carb eating, including improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and enhanced heart health. By prioritizing whole foods and minimizing refined carbohydrates, you support your body's natural ability to thrive and maintain the balanced lifestyle. This evidence-based approach reaffirms the profound impact of mindful nutrition on overall well-being and vitality. Embracing a healthier future. Embrace the journey towards a healthier future with each low-carb recipe you enjoy. Celebrate the joy of cooking with wholesome ingredients that nourish your body and satisfy your cravings. Whether you're seeking weight loss, improved energy levels, or simply a delicious meal, low-carb eating offers a pathway to achieving your health and wellness goals. Let's jump together on this transformative culinary adventure and discover the joy of vibrant, flavorful, and nutritious living. In conclusion, low-carb eating transcends dietary restrictions. It embodies a commitment to nurturing your body with wholesome, nourishing foods. As you explore the rich tapestry of low-carb recipes and embrace the artistry of cooking, remember that each dish is a testament to your dedication to health and vitality. By making informed choices and savoring the flavors of fresh, seasonal ingredients, you pave the way for a vibrant and fulfilling life. Let the journey towards better health begin with each delicious bite, knowing that you are nourishing your body and nourishing your soul. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.